The ultrasonic welding machine Electrical Motion is perfect for welding, cutting and punching thermoplastics, nonwovens and technical textiles. Even more demanding welds with high-performance plastics can be carried out to perfection, thanks to its electric drive and flexibly adjustable parameters. Its electric drive also enables extremely precise control of the stroke movement, thus ensuring precise welding results with the highest quality. The welding parameters can be saved as parameter data sets, allowing different applications to be changed over quickly. Optimize your welding process by adapting the stroke movement according to the application. The starting and braking positions are freely programmable, which increases the process speed with consistently precise welding results. The ultrasound starts as soon as the trigger you have defined is reached. The melting process itself can be divided into 10 steps, allowing very precise control of the melting process. Various parameters can be set individually for each step. This leads to an optimally adapted welding result. The ultrasound stops as soon as the value in the selected welding mode is reached. The Electrical Motion has several modern interfaces, including USB and Ethernet. This makes it possible to export welding results for logging, as well as carrying out control tasks. Remote maintenance can be set up for quick and efficient troubleshooting by our RINCO after-sales service. The Electrical Motion is suitable for clean rooms and certified to ISO 14644 Part 1 ISO Class 6. As such, it meets the high requirements placed on devices used in the medical sector. Events and changes are logged in the tamper-proof audit trail. In this way, traceability and process reliability are reliably ensured within the framework of quality assurance. It is available in the 20 kHz working frequency for welding larger components and also as a 35 kHz variant with a smaller design, for smaller components. It can also be integrated into special machines thanks to its modular design. The Electrical Motion series, your perfect partner for complex ultrasonic welding operations with maximum precision and absolute process control.